How to unarchive story on Instagram. So if you want to unarchive your story on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. From there, you need to go with the top right, which has that three horizontal lines. Now from here, you need to go with archive section, and under archive, you need to go with the drop down and then go with stories archive. Once you've selected your stories archive, now if you want a specific story to be unarchived, then what you can do is add that story to your highlights. So select the story, like for example, I'll go with the one which is right here. Now, if you want the story to be unarchived, you need to go with the bottom, which has that highlight option. Tap on add to highlights and then go and select the highlight that you would like to add and go with tick or done, which will be in the top. That's how you can unarchive your story by adding it to your highlights. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.